Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will show you how to paint wood furniture in easy ways. Whether you're looking to refresh an old piece or give a new one a custom look, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your materials. You'll need sandpaper, primer, paint brushes or rollers, painter's tape, a drop cloth, and safety gear like gloves and a mask. Step 2. Prepare the furniture. Start by cleaning the piece thoroughly to remove any dust, dirt, or grease. Next, sand the surface to create a smooth base for the paint. Use medium grit sandpaper to remove any old finish or rough spots. Then switch to fine grit sandpaper for a smooth finish. Don't forget to wipe away the sanding dust with a damp cloth. Step 3. Apply primer. Applying a primer is crucial, especially if you're painting over a dark stain or a glossy finish. Primer helps the paint adhere better and provides a uniform base for your color. Use a brush or roller to apply an even coat of primer and let it dry completely according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 4. Tape off areas. Before you start painting, use painter's tape to mask off any areas you don't want to paint, such as hardware or intricate details. This will help you achieve clean lines and a professional-looking finish. Step 5. Paint the furniture. Apply your chosen paint using smooth, even strokes. Depending on the type of paint and the look you're going for, you might need 2 or 3 coats. Be sure to let each coat dry completely before applying the next one. Step 6. Sand between coats. For a super smooth finish, lightly sand the surface between each coat of paint with fine grit sandpaper. This helps remove any brush strokes or imperfections and prepares the surface for the next coat. Step 7. Apply a top coat. Once satisfied with the paint coverage, apply a clear top coat to protect the finish. This is especially important for pieces that will see a lot of use. Choose a top coat with the desired sheen, glossy, satin, or matte, and apply it evenly. Let it dry completely before using the furniture. And there you have it, how to easily paint wood furniture. With a little time and effort, you can transform any piece into a beautiful addition to your home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your own painting tips and experiences. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY projects and home improvement ideas. Thanks for watching.